Have you ever curled up with a good book? Do you have a favorite story? Many of us do, but sadly, 750 million people worldwide are not able to read. That's according to UNESCO. And many children have never had the joy of a book being read to them. This has to end because literacy matters, and being literate changes lives by changing hearts.
Good morning. My name is Miss Laddie, and I'm going to read you a story today. The name of the story is Peachy. Peachy is about the sweetest little peach. Do you know what a peach is? Who can tell me what a peach is? It's a fruit.
Did you know that every year the first Tuesday in September is celebrated worldwide as International Literacy Day, and right here in Jamaica, the entire month of September is dedicated to literacy awareness? Here's why.
We find that one day is not sufficient to bring an awareness of what literacy really means. We have a month-long activities that are slated for the island where students and teachers are engaged in various activities. Such activities include a monthly project that the students will be involved in. It also involves read a book per day, write a passage per day, and also wear a word per day.
And there's more.
Teachers and parents are urged to help children develop an appreciation for literacy, what it can do for their personal growth and for national and global development.
But what exactly is literacy, and why is it so important?
Literacy is the ability to read, write, and to compute. But in the 21st century, literacy has demanded more competency skills than it used to before. These skills include comprehending and decoding through text and visual aids. So the child's ability to comprehend and understand what he reads.
The importance of reading is very fun. It builds up my brain, and it builds up my school level.
Literacy is as important as food, because in order to be a functional member of society, you have to be literate.
It's important to be literate, one, so we can read for joy and make our lives a happier life, and also so that we can function properly in the world when we're an adult, filling out applications and being successful otherwise in life.
Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, numerous adjustments had to be made this year to encourage literacy among students who were away from the physical classroom. Students were encouraged by the Education Ministry to use various platforms at home to read stories, write poems, and express themselves through creative expression. If and when they need a break from reading within the confines of their homes, rest assured they could and still can visit their nearest public library to enjoy their favorite story.
The St. James Parish Library has been strictly adhering to the COVID protocol set out for protecting the users as well as staff members. And staff members designated and is assigned to ensure that persons are sanitized, their temperatures are checked, and they are wearing their masks upon reaching the library. In addition to that, we have also been very mindful of the social distancing, and we reorganized the library so that there are less chairs, less tables, and more space. In addition, the highly touched surfaces are sanitized on a regular basis.
So, as you can see, even though the country is tackling a global pandemic, literacy continues. In fact, literacy is even more important because there is a greater need to know and be in the know.
Just imagine a world in which everyone is able to read. Sounds impossible? Yet it isn't. We all have to play our part in helping each other become literate so that each of us can in time find our favorite story.